Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the coordinate display and opening the galactic map so you immediately see system numbers. Once done, equip your analysis visor and a signal booster to capture local planetary snippets. These give the finer positional values. Make sure to hover over the system entry in the map to read the full coordinate string, then pause and write or screenshot it. This first step gets you precise system-level numbers and the local reads you need for the next actions. Now you lock down coordinates on the planet surface. Scan with the analysis visor and target a landmark or landing spot until the coordinate readout stabilizes. Once you have that readout, drop a beacon or save with a base computer to anchor the exact spot. This writes the location into your discovery logs. Make sure to screenshot the on-screen coordinate string or write it down. Once saved, you can use that string in the galactic map or portal tools to return precisely. Finally, use the coordinate string for travel. Paste or enter it into the galactic map or a portal interface to jump directly. If the destination doesn't match, rescan the exact surface spot and resave the beacon. Small aiming or HUD errors cause mismatches. Make sure your game version and HUD toggles aren't hiding parts of the code and disable conflicting mods. If things still fail, reload the save after resaving the beacon. That refresh often fixes coordinate display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.